Coronary heart disease, CHD, is a non-communicable disease. CHD is caused when fatty material builds up into coronary arteries. Explain what a non-communicable disease is. That's worth 2 marks. Okay, so non-communicable. So non obviously means no. Communicable means it passes. Okay, communicated can't be passed. So it cannot be passed from person to person. Do you know what? I'm not going to start what sentence with it. Non-communicable diseases cannot be passed from person to person. Okay, so you can't catch them. Okay, so quite a lot of people will just write that. Okay, you can't communicate them, you can't pass them. But we know that an explain is actually a describe plus. So I've said what's going on, so what it is. Why is that? Non-communicable diseases cannot be passed from person to person. This is because they are not caused by pathogens. They are not caused by pathogens. Okay. The diagram below shows the coronary artery of somebody with CHD. We can see the wall and the fatty material in there. Explain how CHD can cause a heart attack. Okay, so with 3 marks, and we've got to remember explain is a describe plus. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're going to describe what happens first of all. Well, fatty material, it starts to block, doesn't it, the artery. And so what it does, it reduces the blood flow. So fatty material reduces blood flow in arteries. Okay, so it's going to reduce that. Now, CHD, the C there is coronary heart. So coronary, whenever we talk about coronary, we're talking about blood vessels for the heart. So reduces blood flow in artery, so less blood gets to heart muscles. Okay, so and we've got to remember, so less blood gets to the heart muscles, and blood carries oxygen. Okay, so we know that blood carries oxygen as well. So it's not just the blood, it's the oxygen. This means heart muscle cells are not able to respire as much as they need to. Okay, so remember their respiration, we know, is oxygen plus glucose. Okay, and your heart, the reason your blood pumps around your body is to carry those 2 raw ingredients, those 2 reactants to all our cells, and once they're there, respiration happens, which converts the oxygen and glucose into carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so we could say blood carries oxygen and glucose. Okay, the two main things there. It carries both those things to our body and to our heart muscle.